challenge, that I can take something and get all this data, I would say, and then kind of manage that and kind of make sure that we're developing a product and a service for people. The challenge of waking up every morning, like, okay, we got to make things happen. And trying to figure out throughout the day, okay, I need to call this person, I need to jot down 1,000 things to do. That to me is exciting. I'm creating a list at night, waking up in the morning, knocking out that list is a huge benefit. Right? It's different every day from what I did before. Like I came from an IT background where I did interact with some customers and some users, but primarily I was in front of a computer screen. This I get to interact more with my guys on a day, pretty much throughout the hour actually, to make sure things are going okay. And also with customers, and I go on site sometimes to kind of see how things are going. I get out of the actual corporate environment and I can go to a construction site or to a warehouse facility and kind of like just get a sense of like what's going on in the world outside of just my computer screen. So how I find my employees, I initially posted on Indeed, and kind of what I looked for was someone that had some type of mechanical background to some degree, or they were used to being in Texas working outside. So the opportunity that I'm not bringing you on and training you myself, that I get to send you to their corporate office to be trained in a facility with actual professional that actually knows the business, has been doing this for a ton of years. So that was pretty much a huge incentive for those guys to go like, okay, cool, I'm comfortable doing this and ready to kind of get on board. So a lot of warehouses we go to, they have either forklifts or they have some machinery that uses the hydraulic hose. So the more I looked into what industries actually need this, the more I was like, okay, this makes a lot of business sense. I'd say from initial contact with Pirtek, I mean, it's kind of depending on how fast you want to move the process along, I would say. From the time you kind of say, okay, I'm going to do this and move forward, I would probably say you can get up and running within 10 weeks or so, 10 to 12 weeks. It's a lot of work, but it's fun. I would say that. I'd say the one thing that led me to actually going down this route was having more control of what I do in my day-to-day life and business, and then also to be able to take something and actually move the ball forward. Part of growing the company is also growing my techs, and those guys and kind of showing them growth and responsibility, like, hey, you guys are in these vans, these are your vans, these are your customers, I'll do follow-up with, but providing a sense of like, hey, we're all part of this team, and I want you guys to feel a part of this business as well. So I mean, from buying a business standpoint, I think being able to, for one, manage your day-to-day, but then to also grow people within your business as well.